kilometers up river and 6 kilometers back down. There we go, they're enjoying their time.
Are they coming back?
Yeah, coming back.
I don't know how close I thought they would.
Well, you dry off a bit on the trip back, so there's a solid 10 minutes where
Before
after you
you're
go
on the
through the
way.
rapids. So here are the controls. We have our throttles, one for each different engine. So we got our starboard, center, and our port engines. And you can throttle them up separately as needed in order to help steer the boat. You obviously can steer the boat as well with the steering wheel. But then there's a third method of controlling how the boat is moving, which is these joysticks right here. They control something called the buckets. And they are what are right on top of the jets here. They kind of look a bit like mushrooms. What that does is that captures the water that's coming up through the jet and it redirects it back underneath the boat to give you a bit of reverse. Because you can't turn off a jet engine, it's always pushing out water. So then if we were to lower all those buckets, all the water's coming underneath the boat and then we're able to back up. So you're able to put one up, one down, one up, and make the boat move in a lot of different ways: diagonal, crab walk, sideways, backwards, forwards.
Hello fellow travelers, it's your host Jake from Travel Partners. Are you looking for a thrill? Well, look no further. Welcome to the Niagara Whirlpool Jet Boat Tour. Our check-in was smooth and the team members were very helpful. Very happy to see they had on-site lockers. Make sure you pack a bathing suit and towel for this adventure.
Alright guys, my name is Braden. I'll be taking care of you today, leading your trip in the Niagara Whirlpool and then 6 miles back to our dock. Alright guys.
Also pack a waterproof camera.
Alright guys, anyway, like to sit some close to the front, close to the back.
Let's go middle. Yeah.
Hey guys, give a nice big wave to our camera as we come away here. 6 miles.
Thank you to the Niagara Whirlpool Jet Boat for giving us a behind-the-scenes look at this adventure.
Alright guys. Once again, my name is Braden. I'll be leading your trip here today. We're going on that 12-mile round trip, 6 miles upriver to our Class 6 rapids and our Niagara Whirlpool. And 6 miles back here, of course, get you guys absolutely soaked along the way. How does that sound? Alright guys, get over here. We got our Class 5 rapids, the one we're going to be playing in here today, getting you guys nice and soaked, alright? Both feet on the ground if you're able to do so. And then just make sure you're facing forward at all times during the trip here today, guys. Don't try to duck and dodge away from that water. It's going to find you no matter where you are. This is what we call our Mickey and Mouse run. So get over to those white water, safety position. Just a reminder, we're holding on, we're sitting down, we're facing forward. Thank you guys. We're going here in just a second. applause for Captain Jason. Alright guys, again behind me here are Class 6 Rapids. These guys are coming directly from Niagara Falls, about 5 kilometers up that way. They can reach speeds up to 50 kilometers an hour and heights up to 20 to 25 feet, guys. So who would like to take a ride through these rapids today? Yeah, I love the enthusiasm. Alright guys, before we do though, go, I'm just gonna everyone to reach under your seat, grab your seatbelt and fasten them up for me, please.
There's no seatbelt.
I got you guys. No seatbelts on board here today, guys, because unfortunately these Class 6 rapids are actually illegal to go through commercially. Well, we can certainly make our way up there, coming back maybe a totally different story, so we'll stick down here if that's okay with you guys. Alright, here we go. We had a good time. I got myself, our captain, and everyone here at Whirlpool Jet Boats. Thanks so much for coming along with us today. You've been amazing. Give yourself another round of applause.
Thanks for joining us on this thrilling adventure. If you want to stay up to date, hit the subscribe button and follow us on our adventure. Thank you. Oh, what did we get? We got really good.